The Ramona Effluent Pipeline Project is a project to replace existing aging infrastructure for the Ramona Municipal Water District. And it's also addressing future increased capacity concerns by enlarging existing infrastructure with a larger diameter pipeline. The effluent pipeline is conveying secondary treated effluent from the district's Santa Maria plant all the way about 4 miles away to Rangeland Road in the community of Ramona, where it's ultimately disposed of in the form of spray fields, where it's sprayed around existing open fields, open space. The spray fields are actually the district's form of disposal. So typically wastewater is sent through an outfall eventually to the ocean, but in this case the water is reused, it's infiltrated into the ground. This project really touched a lot of the different services that Dudek has to offer. So our engineering group completed the design of the effluent pipeline, and then our environmental group was involved with not only monitoring, but additional environmental permitting efforts related to endangered species that were located along the project site. I think because we have all of these services available in-house, it makes it a lot more seamless to address these challenges as they pop up. You can kind of ask experts in each of these areas without having, an additional agreement with a subconsultant. Like I can call a biologist in-house and ask them about these species and what's involved if we're constructing near them. It makes it a lot easier to have all those services under one roof.